running out here in my flip-flops to open the door. Oh boy. Okie dokie. Well, I broke it. Good job. Oop. Well, that's gonna need a new latch. Because it is not supposed to be floppy. Okay. All I wanted to do was put a spoon in the dishwasher. I thought I broke it. It's gonna need replacing. Yeah. Good boy. Good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? It is Wednesday, February 5th, 2025. Never thought we would be here, but here we are. We got a lot of manure to haul today, so we're gonna get right with it. So for those of you that are new to the channel, this is our 1995 John Deere 7200. It is on a New Holland 185 manure spreader. We got it plugged in since last night. You can see the cord here going to the block heater, which there's an element inside the block heater that heats the block, making the engine oil easier to, well, you've guessed it, easier to go through the engine. It's warm. Because let's stop and think about it. Cold engine oil is basically the consistency of maple syrup. It's thick, it don't flow, and it's just easier to warm the block up with electric if you are near an outlet. Now there's other ways of starting a diesel engine, but it's just easier to plug them in, just like you guys have seen here. So it is all right to go ahead and start it, and it'll start ever so easy. I don't know how you guys are gonna be able to pick it up. That looks freaky, looking at seeing all them eyeballs just staring at you. I don't know how well the camera's gonna be able to pick it up, but got our machine all warmed up. We are ready to get to work. Wait a minute, we gotta switch buckets first. That would help, because you can't load manure with a hay fork. It does not work. We're ready to go. We don't need our high beams. We got LED lights. Well, too bad those aren't on the front, but they are on the other 3 big John Deeres. Well, I was gonna haul butt down the road, but we've got this ice in our way, and I guarantee you if I were to hit the brakes right now, it would send me into a skid that I couldn't get myself out of. So it's unfortunate, but we're just gonna have to take our time. At least I think. It's icy. Oh yeah, yep, we're sliding. Yep, okay. Yeah, we need to take our time. Just thankful I was in control. We're not gonna get too carried away, like I said. not getting carried away. We are not getting carried away. This is, oh my goodness, how accidents happen. Oh dear. Yep, we're not even gonna get carried away today. Darn this ice. I just, wish it would go away. Okay, so we got this all cleaned up. We're gonna move down to the bottom barn and get that barn. We're gonna be down there for a little whirl, but it's gotta be done. First load going out. I've gotten the biggest bucket of manure in the history of loading manure. Will it make it to the spreader? I gotta figure out where I want to dump it first. I'm gonna go for the front of the spreader. You can definitely tell it's got some weight to it. You can definitely feel, whoa, there. Oh boy. Yep, our rear end has come up off the ground. Easy. Oh dear. Kind of just take it and spread it out all over the front. There it be. Kind of didn't anticipate on it happening like that, but that's just how it happened, okay? I mean, it is what it is. Shove the square bales off the end, place them out, just kind of stage them, cut the strings, scatter straw around, it will be looking good. How them cows got this feeder stood up on its head, I have no idea. Hopefully the thing ain't froze to where it keeps me from, oh. Yep, that thing's froze. Well, I was just hoping I'd be able to, you know, flip the thing over. It's froze. Yeah, you can see it right there. It's sunk in the dirt and the dirt froze, so yeah, I'm not gonna force it. We'll just let it alone. Or wait a minute, it's actually supposed to come this way. That's right. That is right. That bottom, it's all rotted out. It needs to be fixed. Ooh, yeah, this ain't gonna go, so we're not gonna force it.